Well, it's October 7th. We're getting ready for Thanksgiving this coming weekend. But before we do that, I got to tell you about the Canmore real estate numbers for September. And it wasn't a September to remember. So let's get into it. So typically in September, we see a lift in our average sales after August. August, as I've said many times, is always one of the quieter months of the year as people are away on vacation. And typically in September, we see a bit of a sort of raise in interest in Canmore, but this year we did not see that at all. It was a very slow month. We ended up with 25 sales in total for the month. That's down about 43% year over year. Typically, we see about 45 sales in September, and in September of 2024, that's exactly what we saw, 44 sales. So 25 sales for this month. The average price point for the month of September was $1.158 million, or $747 per square foot, and they were sitting on the market for about 50 days. A big difference for this September that we typically don't see and haven't seen yet this year, is that we have not seen one single sale price over $2 million since September 1st. So the sales in September were all at those lower price points. I say lower, understanding that 2 million isn't low, but it's all the prices haven't below $2 million, so it is lower. So how did the sales break down in September? Well, single family homes, we had 4 sales. The average price point was $1.771 million, or $768 per square foot, and they were selling on average in about 30 days. Half duplexes, we had 2 sales in total. $1.632 million was the average price point, $620 per square foot, and they were selling fairly quickly as well in 29 days. Townhomes, we had 9 sales. The average price point was $1.11 million, or $630 per square foot, and they sold on average in about 56 days. The apartments, we had 7 sales of apartments in Canmore in September. The average price point was $857,000, or $831 per square foot, and they sold on average in 62 days. We didn't have any land sales in September. We had 3 hotel condo sales in September. We're still very tight on inventory in the hotel condo market for listings, but we had 3 sales. The average price point was $868,000, or $962 per square foot, and the average days on market was 36. Another key indicator that the market is shifting a little bit is the amount of price changes we had in September. I think I mentioned in last month's market update that we were starting to see more price changes, but this September we had 46 price drops through our market, which is an incredible amount to say. We've only got about 150 listings on the market to date. So we're definitely seeing a shift. Sellers are trying to adjust their market pricing to the new buyer expectations, and it's working in some ways, but I think there's still a little bit of ways to go. So it'll be interesting to see how the market shifts over the next couple of months. We are again supposed to get another rate drop this month. October started off a little busier. We're selling about a property a day. So the first 7 days, we've got 6 or 7 firm deals, another 10 that are conditional. So it does look like October will be busier than September, but inventory still seems to be increasing a bit. We're just getting close to 160 listings on the market. So definitely more choice out there for buyers as well. As always, if you've got any questions about the real estate market, you can contact me directly. My contact information is just below. Hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you soon.